Deciphering Word Meanings, Unleashing the Power of Example Clues. Hello there, language learners. Today we're diving into a very special aspect of understanding new words, especially when reading example clues. This is an incredible tool to enhance your comprehension and expand your vocabulary. So, let's unravel the mysteries of example clues and see how they can help us decode unfamiliar words. Example clues are hints that an author gives within the text to help you understand the meaning of a new word. They typically include a list of examples or specific instances that help illustrate the meaning of the unfamiliar word. These examples or instances provide the reader with a contextual reference to decipher the word's meaning. In essence, example clues are the secret agents of a text that help you make sense of new and challenging words. Identifying example clues can seem tricky at first, but once you know what to look for, it becomes a fun and empowering word detective game. The keys to finding example clues include looking for specific markers or signal words such as including, for instance, such as like, and, for example. Here's a sample sentence to illustrate. In the forest, you might find various mammals, such as bears, rabbits, or foxes. In this sentence, such as is a signal phrase, and bears, rabbits, or foxes are examples that help us understand the word mammals. Remember, these signal phrases and the examples that follow are your guides to understanding the unfamiliar word. Now, let's put this knowledge into practice with an example. Consider the sentence. Many celebrities, including actors, musicians, and athletes, led philanthropic lives. In this sentence, including is the signal phrase and actors, musicians, and athletes are the examples that explain what celebrities mean. In your reading, always be on the lookout for these example clues. They will help you not only understand the unfamiliar words but also give you a better grasp of the text's overall meaning. We hope this journey into the world of example clues has made your English learning journey a bit more exciting. Remember, every word is an adventure, and every sentence is a map. The more clues you uncover, the more treasures you'll find. Keep practicing, and soon, example clues will be your secret weapon to conquer any new word. Until next time, happy learning!